What's up, YouTube? It is your girl Lady N. You know what it is. I am back again with another YouTube video. In today's video, I am going to prank my boyfriend. You know, guys, ubani futhi ngamprank ngaphandle kwakhe. So I'm going to prank him today. So prank today, guys. I wanna wear a short dress. Ne? Like I want to see ukuthi uzovuma ukuthi ngiphume ngayo yabo. Lelo rogo leli elimfishane, short dress yabo. Cause I am going to lie ne ngizothi umngane wami uthi ngicela ukuthi ngimkhaphe emoli yabo. So vele la hlala khona kuseduze nasemall yabo. So ngizothi umngane wami uthe ngimkhaphe siye emall, so ngimtshelile ukuthi nginawe and useduze sizohlangana eduze yabo izinto ezikanjalo. So kuyashisa today. I want to change outfit ngigqoke le robe leli yabo. So ngifuna ukubona reaction yakhe ukuthi uzongiyekela ngiphume with this short dress or uzovela athi awuyilapho phuma ugqoke the way ugqoke ngakho, the way bogqoke ngakhona ngeke ngize ngivumele uphuma ugqoke ngalendlela le. So yeah, I just want to see his reaction, nothing much, guys. So yeah, so please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and also comment. Without wasting any time, let's get into it, guys. Now sengizoya kuye yabo, ngiyakuye right now. Yeah, guys, I hope this prank goes well, guys, because kunzima ukumprank, guys. It is like so hard sometimes, like, guys, nginokwa fail like my prank and then ngiyatsafu kwa post yabo. So yeah, I think today ngizombamba yabo nakanjani. So stay tuned, don't go. Finally arrived. So now I'm going to make a fake call now. Sorry about that. Bengithi ngiyakhuluma kanti uyangena, guys. I finally arrived. Now I am going to make a fake phone call. Ngifuna ukubheka reaction yakhe. So I won't film that because I'm shooting with this phone and I need to call with this phone. So please stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. I'm doing a fake call. Yeah, so I'm waiting for him, guys. He's shoot a promo video, so please stay tuned on our Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram, guys. Yeah, I'm going to shoot him, so I will prank him after that. So yeah, we are done. So I am about to wear the dress. Ngithe ngiphethe ekhanda ngicela ukuthi angithengele ama-painkiller ngiqamba amanga. So makaphuma, guys, ngizogqoka quick and then ngiyanikhombisa, then I am hiding the camera. Makangena vele boom. Guys, I am done wearing this dress. So guys, I want to see his reaction. That's all. So please bear with me. Yo guys, I'm struggling as I feel the camera. Guys, now let's hope I won. What's all that gig about? Guys. What's up, put myself? Mncane kanjani? Hayi, uthe right. Uthe right, usho ukuthi siphiwe umlungu mara ngiphume ngento esona. Awuswabi.
Ayibona ngayibona. Ngayibona mara i-decent yana phambili yazi bahambisaya.
Ungani emuva? Yini nani?
Kunababili bajika nawo. Ngathi bajika nawo ufaka ishot.
Ngiyacela.
Hayi ngeke phela. Tingani.
Kunani ke?
In fact, bona it's ngari ya shots must.
Kuyashisa. Yini? Kuyashisa. Ngizobe ngadlelanga phansi ngizobe ngihamba.
Hayi nyala.
Ha,
Ufuna ukuyisa baba amateksi. Bisa amateksi.
Gaan en reg. Gaan en reg. Moet basho kanjani ngeAfrikaans?
Phela nemali.
Manje
Umisa amateksi, uchayisisa ama-Uber.
siyakhala ke ma.
Quality ke.
Angeke izoba snacks. Ngicabanga ngithathede ngapha lawana sex.
Sex for baba.
For myself.
You need to sex for me.
I can make a puma. Like it or not. When you get the card, I feel.
Hayi nyala. Azi mina isithi zen. Mangithi emuva. Ha. Hayi. Abantu abamnandi amanzi hayi nyala bheka. Unobuyisele le shots. Why why?
Kuyashisa ngithanda ukuphefumula manje. What's happening?
Manje libele uyehlisa nje uyehlisa.
Yeah, it's kind of akhona amaro kanjalo hada.
Akhona mara for wena.
Yeah. For me ngihluke ngada futhi.
No wena lapho umhlaba kubazujika nawe like. Wena ufana nalama slake.
As a girl, you need to be our beautiful, sexy.
Wena ufana nalama slake mina like.
One of them. At first,
yeah, ngithi phambili ngibheke phambili. At first ngibheke phambili. Mara mawuthi ayabona ukuthi Yo! Oh, uliphethe nje lakho nje.
Mara guys, nimzwile if nimzwile at first uthe right.
Yeah, that's because like phambili it looks a bit decent. Mara when she turned around, oh, like my butt cheeks were born nje. Amanga topa nje something fancy.
Ba ngizocela umuntu engihamba naye ukuthi ngidobhe. Yalala i-prank guys. Akavumanga ukuthi ngiphume nayo. So kuyakhombisa ukuthi like angeke angiyeke nje ngiphume nento nje engekho right. Guys umuntu ngeke whoever girlfriend boyfriend if umbona ukuthi akagqokanga kahle une right ukuthi umtshele phela ungazi like manje sebembuka lapha ingathi manje angazi kwenzakalani.
Yeah, true, because obviously na umuntu akuzoba uncomfortable nani machita like abantu beni kumele bayenze babe decent yabo. Yeah, naye umuntu self azenze abe decent angaphumi nje noma kanjani yabo. Ngathi manje kakhulu uzizonipha or
Nabanje mina bengizophuma. Yadlala guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video even if like it's short. yabo. Yeah, so please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and also comment. Guys, I'm 42 subscribers. Thank you so much. Continue to subscribe, guys. Road to 50 subscribers. If 50 subscribers, if you get, I man, yeah, ibe khona before my birthday, guys.
Yeah.
This is my mom, guys. So please, guys, please, I will also like vlog on my birthday, but like we're still planning about what's on my birthday. So yeah, stay tuned, guys. Always stay tuned, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and also watch our show.
Oh yeah.
What's popping? We are going to drop today.
Yeah, today.
Yeah, so drop, guys, today. So please, guys, engage, and also subscribe on Apex Wave Studios. Yeah, and all our social media platforms, guys. Follow us. Naranjani.
Oh yeah.
Love you
Danko.
all.